Happy New Year! Today we will be making no-bake cheesecake. So without further ado, here are the ingredients that you will need. For the cheesecake crust, you will need 1 pack of crushed grahams and 1/2 cup butter. Melt your butter first. Then, pour it in a bowl with the crushed grahams. Mix them well until the grahams can hold its shape. In a mold, pour in some grahams and pack it in. I will be using a flat bottom of a clean small sauce dish to help me pack the grahams. At the sides, I will be using my fingers. Refrigerate this while we make our cheesecake. For the cheesecake, we will need 1 tablespoon gelatin, 4 tablespoon water, 250 ml all-purpose cream, 1 pack of cream cheese, 1/2 cup condensed milk. First, mix your gelatin powder in a warm water. Set this aside. Add in your all-purpose cream. And the condensed milk together. Mix them. When it is incorporated together, add the gelatin mixture. Then, add the cream cheese. Mix all of this until well combined. In your mold, pour the cheesecake mixture. Leave a space for our toppings. Refrigerate this overnight. For our chocolate ganache and caramel, we will need 1 pack of condensed milk, 250 ml of all-purpose cream, and 1 cup of chopped chocolates. In a pan, pour in your condensed milk and cook it until it reaches a caramel color. Set aside to let it cool down. In a double broiler, melt the chocolate and all-purpose cream together. And set aside to cool down. When it is cooled, pour the caramel at the top of the cheesecake. Lastly, pour the chocolate ganache. And refrigerate for 4 hours. Add assorted chocolates. And there you have it. You can now enjoy your no-bake cheesecake. Thanks for watching!